So here it is.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another Spend the Day with Me vlog. Ooh, that light is not. That's better. Another Spend the Day with Me vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me to a yoga class with my friend Zaina, one of my best friends. This is what I'm wearing. You can't really see it. I'm just wearing a crop top with some biker shorts. Yeah, some biker shorts is what I'm wearing. It's been a minute since I've been to yoga, which is sad because I'm a yoga instructor and I haven't been to any classes as of 2022. But I did go in December of 2021. I went to a few classes, but yeah, we're going to yoga class together. It's a new gym at the mall here in Valdosta, so I'm taking you guys with me. I'm gonna try to record a little while I'm in there. If not, I'll just have to show y'all how it look on the outside. I'm gonna take my camera. Hopefully it's not a lot of people in there because it is the middle of the week. It's a Thursday morning. It's 9:48 right now, so I don't really expect it to be packed like it would be on a Saturday morning or a Saturday afternoon. So we'll see. I'll see you guys when I get there. My camera is not charged once again, so hopefully after I do yoga I'm able to charge it. I'm probably gonna go to Starbucks after that, so I'll see you guys at Starbucks after the gym. Bye.
Suggesting postures and poses that string together and might feel good, but listen to your body. There shouldn't be pinching, pulling, or pain in yoga. So if there is, just back off. Or if at any point you get tired or a move doesn't suit your body, you can take this child's pose, easy seated pose, downward facing dog, which I'll show you later. And let's begin connecting to our breath here. So inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose.
Hey guys, so I believe I last left off with going to the gym to do yoga. So the yoga class was cool. It was at the gym called Crunch Fit here in Valdosta, Georgia at the mall, which is a perfect location to have a fitness center. Anyways, I don't know if I was being very critical because I am a yoga instructor, or if things like there's just certain things that I would have done differently, but it's not my class. It's not my class. But one thing that I feel like is necessary when it comes to yoga and any form of exercise is that the room should not be cold. Like it should have some type of flow, some type of movement of air. That way it doesn't get entirely stuffy unless you're doing hot yoga or unless you're doing a sauna situation. But with any type of body movement, you're wanting to get your body warm. You want to get it warm, get the joints, warmed up so that you don't break anything, you don't tear anything. But the room was very cold in my opinion. It was very cold. There was already AC in there, and there was also a big fan spinning. And I knew I wasn't tripping. I have low iron, but I also take iron supplements. But I knew I wasn't tripping because the yoga instructor had a scarf around her neck. I ain't never been to a yoga class where a yoga instructor had a scarf around their neck while they were teaching us, and she had a jacket on. That doesn't make sense to me. That doesn't make any sense. It was way too cold in there for me to concentrate. I was so bothered by the temperature of the room that I really couldn't relax. Like I couldn't relax, couldn't get comfortable. There was maybe a second or 2 seconds where I felt my body getting warm when we started doing chaturanga and vinyasa flows, but when we weren't doing that, it was freezing in there. I was like, I wish I had, and I already had on a half zip jacket. I had that on. I had on a long sleeve half zip on top of my crop top and my bra. So it's like I was even cold through that, which is kind of crazy. It's kind of bizarre if you ask me. But the flow was nice. The flow was cool. The room was cool. It was nice. We also went to lunch. My friend treated me to lunch. We had a lunch date, and that was nice. I also insert a clip right here of where we went. The food was really good. It was nice. I love Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Very healthy and hearty in my opinion. And then later on that day, we went back to Crunch and we did a cycling class, a spin class, and it was lit. It was so fun. I enjoyed it so much. I forgot her name, but it was a young girl who was doing it. I'm saying young girl like I'm freaking 50, like I'm 80 years old. She's probably my age. She's probably my age, but it was lit. Like the music was pumping. That was probably my second time doing a spin class, but I felt like that one was more enjoyable because number one, I had more of a workout. Number two, it was more fun. The energy that she was giving us and the music, and it was just like she wasn't talking too much. She wasn't, being feisty with us, because there was people in the class who were like not doing what she told us to do as she was instructing us to do, and it was okay. It's like, as long as your hair is sweating, do your thing, girl. As long as you're not stopping a whole bunch of times, like, because there'll be times where you have to get up on the bike and like pedal while you're not sitting down. And she would say, okay, let's get up. And people wouldn't get up. But she wouldn't say, get up, because that's weird. I've been to a class like that where, like, the instructor is way too intense. It's not that serious. Like, we're supposed to be enjoying it. And us being here, in my opinion, the clients, customers being there, period, is enough. Like, as long as you're moving, you don't have to be doing exactly what the instructor says you're doing. And that's a lot of pressure, especially on new people who might be a little bit more overweight too. That's a lot of pressure, and it's kind of rude in my opinion, but she wasn't like that at all, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, I enjoyed my workout. We did 2 workouts in one day, 2 a day. That's not something I normally do, but I did enjoy it, and I would do it in the future. But yeah, I also put clips of that, of us doing the cycling class. It was so much fun.
When you're ready, join me up standing. Left leg, left. Pick it up. Time starts now. Push it. 30 seconds on the clock. 1. Cover.
But before I end this video, I want to show you guys a item that I purchased. I want to say probably like 3 or 4 years ago. I can't really remember. It wasn't for me, but this is the item that started my Louis Vuitton luxury collection. I'll show it to you right now. So here it is. This is what I bought. It doesn't have the blue ribbon on it. This is actually my mom's gift that I got her for Christmas one year. I don't remember what year it was, but I went to Atlanta to go get it. And we had Christmas here in Valdosta with her and my sister and my nephew, Contrail. But yeah, this was my first Louis Vuitton item I ever purchased, and it was for my mother. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it is. It has a dust bag. Like I said, I don't know where the blue ribbon is at. Only she would know because it's her bag. Here's a dust bag, nice and soft. And it is the Serene. It's the Serene, I believe, in the MM size. This is the bag that I purchased for her. It's so cute. She's definitely a burgundy person. A lot of her bags are either black or burgundy. And she loves wearing this type of color on her lips from what I've seen over the years. I didn't get it hot stamped, but we can always go back and get it hot stamped. It's hot stamped if she wants to. But this is how it looks, you guys. Isn't it so cute? To me, it's the perfect work bag or perfect casual bag going out with the girls, or even like date night, dinner. It has 2 large pockets. This is magnetic, as you can see. 2 of those on the side, and then there's 1 large compartment in the middle. She still even has the plastic still on it. I don't know how often she uses it, to be honest. I've seen her take it to Louisiana, New Orleans, and Baton Rouge and wear it there. She has some receipts in here, honey. I ain't gonna tell her business. I won't read the receipts. And there's 2 pockets here. 1, 2. And the space is good. It's a really nice size. It's a really nice size. Let's see. Here is my bracelet for my Neverfull. Let's see how that fits in there, just to show you guys the size of it. Yeah, so see, there's a lot of space in there. A lot. And yeah, on the side right here, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. It also has the feet at the bottom. which is very, very nice. A lot of bags don't have that unless they cost a lot, in my opinion. But yeah, that's the purse. I think it's so cute. I think it's very casual, but can also be dressed up. She has some, what is this? My Choice. She has the card information in here still. I tried looking this up online and I didn't find it. So I think it's not even on the website anymore, y'all. So I guess you can't buy it anymore. I don't know. Y'all let me know. When I saw this bag, I was like, oh yeah, that's her. That's her. Unless she likes backpacks too, but I was like, this one is definitely appropriate for work if she wants to work. But yeah, it says Serene M Ming Bordeaux. And it comes with this little piece of information like it always does in all the Louis Vuitton bags. And the receipt is also in here. And yeah, this is how much it cost at the time when I purchased it. So yeah, my first Louis Vuitton purchase I ever made was for my mama. She was so shocked, y'all, when I gave it to her. Her jaw dropped. She's like, I can't take this. And I said, yes, you can, girl. Yes, you can. This is for you, honey. But yeah, I love the inside. Like, the lining is super soft. It's like a suede material. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. I can't look up the details. Like I said, it's not on the website anymore. But if y'all know the details, let me know. But it feels so nice. Even right here, it has the same. It's just very luxury. This is a nice bag. The details has Louis Vuitton right here also, and like I said, she still has the plastic on this too. I've probably seen her wear this maybe once, you guys. It's like she's trying to preserve it and keep it safe, which I get that. Only for special occasions. But yeah, the next bag that I'll probably get her is maybe like a book bag, because she likes book bags a lot. But that is it. Ooh, can I zip it back? There we go. The zipper is very sturdy. Very sturdy. Here goes the chain. It's a very sturdy, very good chain. And this bag is actually really heavy. My arm is hurting from holding it up. But that is it, you guys. I just want to show you guys the bag that started my collection with Louis Vuitton. My mom put me on Louis Vuitton. My aunt put me on Louis Vuitton. They all love Louis Vuitton. And that's why I love Louis Vuitton. But that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.